Hello, welcome to the detailed and comprehensive product video of our high-quality and reliable pressure reducer, the Standard Series. Providing an overview. Brass block. There is an arrow indicating the direction it should flow, but no problem. You can also adjust that. You can turn it around, you can even place it upside down, you can place it this way, and you can place it that way. So, very flexible. In placement, here we see a counter nut to know how it is set, and here we can easily and simply turn this for less or more pressure. Plus or minus. You can't increase pressure with something like this, of course. But if you have set the pressure too low, you can loosen the spring. Plus and minus are also indicated on the front of the knob. You can choose the manometer. Do you place it on this side or on this side? The manometer comes with a small gauge to attach here at the front. So, that is the inch series. This is the 3/4 series. The 3/4 series is also suitable for standard installations, small apartments, you name it. Not for large consumers. Let's say, if you have a main line of 20, 3/4, main line 26, then you should go for inch. A few technical details perhaps. The maximum temperature that can flow through is 80 degrees, but this is on the cold water side, so it should never reach 80 degrees. The maximum pressure that comes in here is 25 bar, so it is a very strong pressure reducer. However, the maximum outlet is 6 bar. Now you have to take into account that if you have 6 bar of pressure, the sanitary expansion vessel will no longer function. So we recommend that for all installations above 3.5 bar water pressure, you should set up a pressure reducer and adjust it to 3 bar pressure. You can also go to 3.1 or 3.2, no problem. Why? Because the sanitary expansion vessel is at 4 bar, it must always be drained when you open the hot water tap. So, that was it. Here is a brief difference between 3/4 and 1 inch. Adjustment knobs, so the principle is the same. You can place everything as you wish, no problem. So, hopefully that was enough information, and I might see the order coming in, or until the next video. If you want to stay updated on our videos, you can always subscribe, and you will receive notifications automatically. Thank you for watching.